It is time for another unboxing. We have the Cotton Cuts Gnome of the Month, but we've got April. The colors, I have checked them out because I saw on Facebook the colors. So I already know kind of what they look like, but oh my gosh, they're beautiful. So let's go ahead and dive in and show you what they look like. So first I'm going to show you this card right here. This card right here is super handy. Always make sure that you keep it handy nearby you when you are either working on your Cotton Cuts Piazza or your Village Green, any of your memberships where it calls for a swatch card like this, make sure you hold on to it. Look at these cute little guys. That is the boy, this one's the girl, and then these are the two accent pieces. These are absolutely beautiful, and the colors are just absolutely amazing. Wait till you see them. I'll show them to you in just a second. So on the back of the card, this one is a recipe that came from Jessica. She's our member care specialist. I believe that I've probably emailed her before. She is wonderful. So it's for classic deviled eggs. Yum. So on that note, do you like deviled eggs? Yes or no? Growing up, I had deviled eggs because I'm down here in the South, so we always have deviled eggs, especially during the summertime. And my mom always made them with sweet relish, and she still does. And one year, maybe probably a decade ago, I went to go make deviled eggs. Guess what I didn't have? I didn't have the sweet relish, and I didn't know what to do. So all I had in my refrigerator was dill pickles, not and instead of the sweet relish. So what I did is I took my Pampered Chef chopper and chopped them up really, really good and made dill relish instead of the sweet relish. And now that's what I prefer. So have you ever had a deviled egg with dill relish or with sweet relish? If you've had them before, and do you like them? Let me know. Let's get a discussion started on that. That'll be fun to see. Okay, so if we go ahead and open up the package, we've got some wonderful goodies in here. And the colors, they're so gorgeous. So with these, they still give me the Quilt Smart grid, the 4 panels on that. Absolutely love this stuff. I've mentioned it before. It's an absolute game changer. I love it. You can, this is an addition when you go to order your gnomes. You do not have to purchase this, but it does make sewing just a little bit more easier and more time efficient, I have found. The other way takes a little bit longer, but you know, it's all about the journey and our quilting and our sewing and all that good stuff makes life look fun. So this is just a fun little tip to use to make your points, you know, look really nice here. And then those, I've used the Quilt Smart grid on both of those. So that's what's in that package there. And so we've got the boy and the girl, and we got the 2 accent pieces. So the first accent piece is number 1, which is going to be this one right there. Here's all the colors here. So we got some really beautiful colors in there. The yellow is not as bright as the yellow that was in the March gnomes. This is more of a muted, more, you know, muted for springtime. So really beautiful purples and turquoise and yellow. Really like that one a whole lot. Can't wait to put that one together. And then the next one, the accent piece number 2, which is going to be with the eggs. This one right here. Same colors as with the accent 1. Got the yellows, the purple, and the turquoise. So those are both the same, just differently packaged together. So we've got the boy and we've got the girl. So we'll look at the boy first, right here. And that's this one right here. Real pretty colors. Really like that a lot. I'm going to enjoy putting these together as well. And then last but not least is the girl. I love her little pigtails. They're super cute. And here's the colors for that one. So I've been doing the gnomes for 4 months now. January, February, March, and this April will be the 4th one. In these packages here, just so y'all know, Cotton Cuts gives us extra pieces. So I've got like a huge stack already of the extra pieces that were left over. That's extra fabric. You can use that for anything. You know, if you don't have something special in mind, you can use it as your leader piece when you're chain piecing squares together, half square triangles. You know, use that as a leader piece, or if you want, you can use it and make your own blocks with it. There's all kind of different things you could do with that. So, you know, the extra pieces that you get in your kits are designed to be able to help you if you make a mistake, so that you have extra fabric left over. You know, Village Green and Piazza, you're able to order oops kits with them, and they give you extra fabric so that if you do make a mistake, you have the fabric to be able to recreate your square or your triangle, so that you can continue on with your clue. So the same thing with the gnomes, they just give you extra pieces, which I absolutely love. So at some point I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with all those extra squares and triangles. We'll make something fun with it. But so that's what we've got for today. We've got the April 2023 gnomes from Cotton Cuts. And we've got the batiks here, and we've got the solids here. So they just letter them for you so that you are able to figure out what your colors are quickly. So until next time, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, take care. Bye.